This beaver cut off this tree and it rolled over and got his tail is stuck.
Poor innocent beaver.
Ah, Mr. Beaver. Just a few seconds, you're free to run.
Timber! And his tail's stuck.
We got the tree off of him, but now his tail is much down the mud. I'm gonna try to dig it out.
That's why I shovel. That's why we need shovels. Axes and that stuff.
Wait till Mom hears we saved a beaver.
I know, tell Mom after the tree. What noise do beavers make?
There you go.
Woo!
We got him dug out. He's still sitting there. He don't know he's free yet. I think he'll realize it in a second. Get going, but that's kind of a once in a lifetime thing there. There he goes. There you go, Mr. Beaver. Go and be free. Get wet.